And we continue with My Soul and Hummingbird Motors in Colindale, giving you that chance to win a skiing holiday for 4 people. This week, Thursday to Sunday, the new Kia Sportage will be hiding somewhere at a Tesco store in London. Clue 1 today, it's Ricky Gervais's character's surname in the comedy series The Office.
So, what are your first impressions of the Kia Sportage?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice and big and spacey and roomy.
Home of English football, and Live Aid was also there.
What are your first impressions of the Kia Sportage?
Yes, like it. Higher, shorter at the bonnet. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah.
Have you ever considered buying a Kia before?
Yes, we've got one.
This is clue 1. I am known as the birthplace of Star Wars. Give me that one more time. I am known as the birthplace of Star Wars. That's the first clue to find out where that Tesco store is in London.
I thought it attracted us, so we stood here. It looks cool. I really liked it.
Yeah, I like the features. The ones that can park itself. I haven't really heard of that. I thought it was something that was coming out, but I didn't know it's actually integrated into ones that are out on the road now. So it's quite impressive.